Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and make a quick video about the multiple income funnel and one of the best things I think they did. I'm biased, yeah, because I promote the multiple income funnel. Have been promoting it for almost a year. It'll be a year in December. And actually, I just renewed my membership because they had a special offer, buy a year, get a year free. So now I don't have to renew my membership until June of 2024, which is awesome. You should have grabbed a deal. If not, you can still grab an annual, which is still good because then you won't have no monthly fees while you're promoting your new business, right? And if you're interested, there'll be a link in the description box below. But what they recently did is they incorporated the Power Lead system into the multiple income funnel at stream number 2. Now, there's a couple reasons why I love this. And one is because I use the Power Lead system as a tool already, a tool to make capture pages, a tool to make bridge pages. It has a built-in autoresponder, and the commission structure is awesome. On top of that, being part of the multiple income funnel, it helps you promote the Power Lead system. And now I can finally build my Power Lead system team. Now, like I just said, I normally use it just to make capture pages, to learn about list building strategies, to build my list, to learn lead generation, because it's an all-in-one marketing platform that offers all of that, right? And, you know, I promote Warrior Plus, ClickBank. I get share codes from like Bones. He creates share codes, awesome share codes. I promote other opportunities. Now I experiment making my own. I mean, it's just a powerful system and a necessary tool and a very affordable tool in the, just to be in this online space, you need a tool that does all of those things, right? So they decided to put it into the multiple income funnel at stream number 2, and I love it because now, like I said, I get to finally build my team and continue using my favorite tool, right? So I want to show you what the compensation plan of the Power Lead system is in this video and tell you one thing that it does that excites me, and I think that's going to allow you really to build your team as you're building your multiple income funnel business, right? So let's dive in. I want to show you just this capture page I made in the Power Lead system. This is an easy, quick capture page. You can do all of this, right? And this is for the multiple income funnel. We can bypass this. This is a bridge page that I made in the Power Lead system, and it has a share code, it's shareable, and you can use it for like autoresponders and, you know, my lead gen secret blast. You can just entice people to click to the next, right? And this is the sales page for the multiple income funnel that leads you to your, this is the sales page that introduces you in. This is the qualifying payment of $49 a month. You can get at a discount now, and that will qualify you to make $20 a month per person who opts in right here. You also can join a Facebook group right here, but first you need to create this account, and that gets you in the front door, right? Now, what it does is it brings you to the back office of, now that's the first income stream of the multiple income funnel. Now it brings you in here, immediately you have to watch the first video, join the Facebook group, watch the video again, then go to income stream number 2. Now, step 2. Income stream 1 has been complete. Income stream step 2 is the one I get all excited about, right? Because that is the Power Lead system now. And I want to show you real quick. This video does an awesome job, but I want to show you a visual of really this compensation plan real quick. So basically, and look, check this out. Here's a 10-week plan. Just look at this. Look at this. If you get 4 people in your first week and you get $20 a week from them, right? Because you make $20 residual from each Power Lead system member, right? So that's $80. The second week, you get 4 more and your 4 get 4. That's the math right here, right? So that's the $240 a week. Your third week, you get 4 more, then your 8 direct your 8 direct referrals get 4 more each, and that compounds $640. Then by week 4, you're up to $1,200. Then by week 5, you're up to $1,800. By week 6, you're up to $2,700. By week 7, by week 8, you see how it goes. So by week 10, you can make almost $7,800, and that's also not even counting the $100 one-time purchases that they can make in the back office, the $400 one-time purchases, the $1,000 commissions one-time purchases, and even the $6 commission that you can make off the $7 front end, right? That's not bad at all, but that is that is just a simple strategy for promoting the Power Lead system. Now, like I said, it is a free trial. And what excites me about this free trial is this. So it's a free trial. So automatically when someone comes in, you get a notification that looks like this. A new gold member has arrived, right? So that excites you because guess what? That's going to happen when they come through the multiple income funnel, right? So when they come through the multiple income funnel, stream number 2, they sign up, you're going to get an email. And the first thing you're going to do is like, man, am I all in? Did I pay the $20 or did I pay the commission? I mean, did I pay the fee? Did my subscriptions expire? Because it's either going to tell you like you missed out or it's going to tell you got a new gold member. Then you're going to panic and either go pay, and which that does is cause a chain reaction, right? So that's what's awesome about this new step 2, that it's a free trial, right? That triggers an email to be sent that triggers you to respond to that email. So psychologically, that does something else, right? And you build your downline. So let's go back to the commission. So here you see that you can make $20 on the front end commission, residual monthly commission, and then you can make $10 on, basically you're making 50% team match. And I'll show you an example of that right here. So this is your pay line, right? This is your front line, your referrals, your direct referrals who come into the multiple income funnel and sign up for the Power Lead system, triggering your emails that say you got a new gold member, right? And then here, right here, it says, so if Mary made $980 off her team, you get $490. Now, it doesn't take any money from Mary. It's just $490 that you get matched. And the same goes with John. He made $1,800. You get a 50% match. So you see how you use the leverage, right, of your team to generate passive commissions. And this is residual monthly commissions that may fall within the week depending on when they started. So you can technically get paid thousands every week if you grow your team. And that's where the multiple income funnel comes in at. Because now finally I have a new way to promote my Power Lead system and a new way to finally build my downline in the Power Lead system. So as I'm getting new members in, this system will systematically walk people through the sign up of each one of these income streams, and there's no more sticker shock. There's no more getting to step 2 and saying, oh man, I gotta pay $1,000, No, it's a free trial. You click it, they sign up, and guess what? Boom, they are on your squad. Now, once they do the same and somebody signs up under them, guess what? They get that email and they gonna make sure that they position to get those $20 residuals. Because the way it works here, you'll get $20 residual from this income stream here. You'll get $20 monthly residual from this income stream, and then a 50% match on that downline, right? And then this is a $100 one-time commission. That's nice. And then this is your recurring consumable type, your traffic source, right? Where you're going to get paid whenever somebody buys traffic. And depending on what kind of traffic package, it could be from low to high ticket commissions, which is awesome. Then you also have the bonus income streams back here, which is your My Lead Gen Secrets, your Scalability Pros, and your Easy One Up. See, that's where Easy One Up went. They shuffled the deck and moved it to the back. But I think it was an excellent idea because now they eliminated the sticker shock of somebody coming through the funnel and saying, oh, shoot, I got to pay $500 and get immediately scared by paying the big entrance fee when basically now you pay the front door fee and then this is basically a free trial. You can create this as a free account. You can create this as a free account. So when anybody comes in, they're tied to you and you'll see when they make purchases because it'll say you missed it. It'll notify you, right? And you can just promote it on the front end and make your $20 residuals until you start getting triggered that people are coming in and buying stuff. Then you can position yourself so you don't miss any more commissions. But this income stream number 2, man, I I think you don't even understand how awesome that just made this platform and how excited I am again to promote the multiple income funnel and the power lead system. So anyway, that's just my biased opinion because I think that those two opportunities are already awesome, especially if you're already existing owners of TextBot, Traffic Authority, My Lead Gen Secret, Scalability Pro, and Easy One Up. If you're already existing owners of these, this one funnel makes everything systematic, fresh and brand new, and allows people to walk through the funnel and build their team. I mean, like build their team. Not only across where you can make $20 commissions, but now down, right? Down a whole nother level where you can get 50% team matches. And that's where the power of the leverage comes in. That's where the power of automation comes in. And that's where the power of the multiple income funnel and the power lead system like kind of join forces. But anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to give a quick little brief overview of the compensation plan, like I said, for the power lead system. And like I said, there's a link that shows this 10-week plan down in the description box below. But using the power lead system and the gold member, you can easily do this, right? And this puts it out. This could be part of your campaign, part of your promotion. When you join the power lead system, all you need is 4. And if you get 3, your system's paid for. But if you get 4, and then they get 4, and then they get 4, it compounds. And I don't care what you say, $7,840 ain't no joke, right? Right. So anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to make a quick, I guess, biased video talking about why I like the fact that the multiple income funnel now can be used to promote the power lead system and build your downline. Well, that's all that I got. My links will be in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'm out.